Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a chat message while playing Roblox on your PC, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to enable chat message notifications on Roblox Web with the latest update, so you can stay connected with friends and the community at all times. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see the familiar gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage everything from your profile to privacy and security. Now, look for the Notifications tab in the sidebar or menu options. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the different notification types Roblox can send you. Here's where you can customize how you get notified about friend requests, private messages, and more. Next, find the section labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, Roblox groups chat message notifications here for both mobile and web users. Click on this section to expand the available options. Now look for the toggle or checkbox labeled Chat Message. Make sure this option is enabled. Once it's turned on, Roblox will send you notifications whenever you receive a new chat message, so you'll never miss an important conversation again. That's it. You've successfully set up chat message notifications on Roblox Web. With these notifications enabled, you'll always be in the loop, whether you're gaming, building, or just hanging out with friends. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other Roblox fans who want to stay connected. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.